Very good evening, students. Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology, and today we are going to see progressions. So already we have worked out sums from this progressions, and today we are in part 4. All right. So let's move on to the sums. All right. So here you have the first sum as if A is equal to -1, D is equal to -3 in an AP, then what is the seventh term? All right. So let us do the sum. All right. So what is the formula for Tn? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right. So now we want seventh term. So T7 is nothing but your first term is A is -1 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 and D is -3. So -1 minus 18, which is -19. So T7 must be -19. So your answer must be option 2. Yeah. So your answer must be option 2. All right. Yeah. Right. So that is how you have got option 2 as a correct answer. All right. Now let's see the next sum. The 25th term of -300, -290, -280, and so on is dash. So term means Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is it we want? We want T25. What is the first term here? A is -30. D is T2 minus T1. That is -290. Minus of -300 becomes plus 300. So the answer is 10. Plus 10. Okay. Right. So now let us substitute here -300 plus n minus 1 is 24 minus 1. 25 minus 1 is 24. Into D is 10. So -300 plus 240 is -60. So the 25th term is -60. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have got the answer by now. Let's see. Yes. All right. Let's see the next sum. The common difference of x plus 4x plus 3 plus 5x plus 3 plus 2x and so on is dash. So in progression, we know the common difference D is T2 minus T1. So let's take the second term 4x by 3 minus of x. So how do you do this? Let us take LCM. So 3, 4x minus 3x. 4 minus 3 is 1, x by 3. So your option must be x by 3. All right? Yes. So hope you all have understood. All right. Now let's move on to the next sum. The nth term of 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus and so on is dash. The nth term of 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus and so on is dash. Yes, right. So it's a very simple question. So I'm sure you will be able to do it. Let's see how many are able to give me the answer. Then the term of 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus and so on is dash. So what could be the answer for the nth term? All right. So let's see. It is 5n minus 1. Okay. All right. See the next question. Which term of the AP 125, 120, 115 and so on is the first negative? Okay. So I repeat the question. Which term of the AP 125, 120, 125, 120, 115 and so on. It's first negative. Yes. So hope you all would have got the answer by now. So you know the key is T27. Okay. All right. So here you have A is 125, D is second term minus first term, which is minus 5. So let's take A27, T27, which is A plus n minus 1. 27 minus 1 is 26 into minus 5, which is 125 minus 130, which gives you minus 5. All right? Yes. So the best option is you should try. That's all. Try each and every option and get the answer. All right, students? Yes. Let's move on to the next sum. The 27th term of 5, 14, 23 is dash. So T27 is A plus n minus 1 is 26 into D. What is A here? 5. What is D? T2 minus T1, which is 9. Right? All right. So your first term is 5 plus 26 into 9. So 5 plus 234. So it is 239. So option A must be the correct answer. Option A must be the correct one. Let's see. Let's check. Yes, it is. All right. With this, let's move on to the next sum. A28 minus A23. A28 minus A23 is 32. I'm sorry. A28 minus A23 is 15. Then the common difference of the AP is dash. Right. So let's see here. A28 minus A23 is 15. What is A28? A plus 28 minus 1, 27D minus of A plus 23 minus 1, 22D is equal to 15. So, A plus 27D minus A minus 22D is 15. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. Okay. Next is we have 27 minus 22. 27D minus 22D is 15. So 7 minus 2 is 5D is 15. So D is 15 by 5. So D is 3. So your option must be the first one. Alright, let's check. Yes, it is. Alright students, so hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next sum. If the nth term of AP is 2n plus 5, then the first term is dash. Okay, so nth term. So Tn is 2n plus 5. Right, so now let's take T1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 5, which is 7. Okay. So the first term must be 7. Is it clear? So it is option 3. Yes. Let's see the next one. A7 minus A3 is 32. So what is A7? A plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6D minus of A plus 3 minus 1 is 2D is equal to 32. So A plus 6D minus A minus 2D is 32. So plus A minus A gets cancelled. 6 minus 2 is 4D is equal to 32. D is equal to 32 by 4, which implies D is equal to 8. 8 fours are 32. Isn't it? So your option must be A. 8. That is A. Let's check for the answer. Yes, it is right. Alright students, see the next question. The 10th term of an AP is dash. So we know A is 13. We know D is 8 minus 13. Okay, 8 minus 13 is what? 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5. Okay, so we want T10. T10 is A plus 10 minus 1, 9 into D. So A plus, 13 minus 5 is a 40, 5 nines are 45. Right, so 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. It should be minus 32. Let's check for the answer. 5 minus 3, 4 minus 1. Right. So it should be option A. Let's check. Yes, it is. All right, students. So hope you would have got the answer by yourself. See the next question. The arithmetic mean between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is dash. The arithmetic mean between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is dash. So what is actually mean? It's nothing but average, isn't it? So you have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2. So if you take LCM, it is 3 plus 2 by 2. So it is 5 by 6 into 1 by 2, which is 5 by 12. So your answer must be option 2. Let's check. Yes, it is. So your answer is option 2. Okay. See the next question. A plus 3D, comma A plus D, comma A minus D. The next term of the AP is dash. So you have 3 terms. What is the next term? Right? So you can put it A plus A is equal to A plus 3D. Okay. What is D? T2 minus T1, which is minus 2D. The common difference. So you have, this is A1, A2, A3. So the next you want is A4. A4 is, what is the next term? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, isn't it? So your A4 will be A plus 3D. What is A over here is A plus 3D plus 3 into plus 3 into D is minus 2D. So A plus 3D minus 6D. A minus 3D. So this should be your answer. That is option 4. Let's check for it. Yes, it is. Alright, so it's very simple. You just have to write what is A plus 3D. What is the common difference? T2 minus T1. So they're asking the next term. So what is the next term? It is fourth term. So what is A4? A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 3D. So you know A, you know D. That's all. You can find it. Right. See the next question. Then the term of an AP is 3n plus 5. Then its common difference is dash. Okay. Then the term of an AP is 3n plus 5. So what is that they are asking? They are asking the common difference. All right. So how do you find out this? Then the term is given. He says it is 3n plus 5. So we know an is 3n plus 5. Okay. So an is 3n plus 5. What is n? N is 1. N is 1. What does it mean? 3 ones are 3 plus 5, which is 8. Okay. If n is 2, then it is 3 into n plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. So what is the common difference? Second term minus the first term, isn't it? So T2 minus T1, which is 11 minus 8, which is 3. So your answer must be option 2. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yes, it is. See the next question. Which term of the AP 190, 80 is 0? Okay. So which term of the AP 100, 90, 80 is 0. So what does it mean? You can just quickly pull out all the details. A is 100, D is 90 minus 100 is minus 10. Okay. So you have to just uh, find out each option. So when you do, you get A11, A plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1 is 10 into D. So 100 minus 100 is 0. So your option must be 11th one. Sorry, your option must be the 11th one. So this can be done only by, trying out all the options. Okay. Right. See the next question. If A is minus 1, D is minus 3, what is A12? So A12 is A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? A plus n minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11 into D. So minus 1 minus 33 is minus 34. So your option must be this. Okay. Yes, it is. All right. The seventh term of the series is what? Okay. So first you should check whether it is AP. In AP, how do you check? It is A plus D. So second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. Let's check. Minus 1 minus 2 by 2 is 1 plus 2. Minus half minus 1, 1 by 4 minus half. Yeah. So minus 3 by 2. Here it is 3 by 4. Minus half minus 1. T3 minus T2. Yes. So now you have to first check whether the given term is an AP. Okay. So it is not actually AP because your second term, your D is not correct. Your D is not same. So then you have to check whether it is a GP. Okay. So when you check it is a GP, you do get it as a GP. So that is T2 by T1. T2 by T1 should be equal to T3 by T2. So minus half is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 2 by 1. So it is 1, 2. So minus half is equal to minus half. So the given term is a GP. Now what is it we want? We want A7, seventh term. What is it? So since it is less than 1, so it is A into R to the power n minus 1. A is 1 into R is minus half to the power n minus 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. So when you solve for it, 2 power 6 is 64. And since it's an even, and you get it as 1 by 64, which is option 4. Okay. All right. So it is correct. Let's move on to the next question. What is the next term of the AP? What is the next term of the AP? So square roots are given. Okay. So how do you find out? You can just take 1 minute to think about the answers, how to move about. Yes. So what is the next term? A, A1, A2, A3. So we want A4. So what is T4? Is A plus n minus 1 into D. We know A is root 48 plus n minus 1 is 3 into D is root 75 minus root 48. Okay. So root 48 plus 3 times of root 75 minus 3 times of root 48. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 3 root 75 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 root 48. So 75 can be written as 15 root 3 minus 2 root 48 can be written as 8 root 3. So 15 minus 8 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 root 3, which is root 147. So here the answer is not there. Instead of 197, it should be 147. Okay. So there's a printing mistake, root 147. All right, let's move on to the next sum. The 10th term of the series. Okay. So the 10th term of the series, you have x plus 4x by 3 plus 5x by 3 plus 2x. All right. Yes. So how do you calculate this? So the 10th term is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is x plus 9 into d is 4x by 3 minus x. So x plus 9 into 3, if you take 4x minus 3x. So x plus 9 into 4 minus 3 is 1x by 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So x plus 3x is 4x. So your answer must be 4x. Yes. Okay. Okay, students. So with this, we come to the end of today's session. So hope you all would have enjoyed today's class. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Thank you, students. Meet you soon.